Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do a Disney haul for you guys. So I'm going to show you guys what all we bought at Disney at the different stores that we got them from. So to go ahead and start off, we got this hat for Dad, and I'll bring it in a little bit closer so you guys can see that Planet Hollywood sign. But we got the hat, and of course we got it from Planet Hollywood. It was our last day at Disney, so we got that hat from there. It was a gift shop right as you walk into the restaurant. And those gift shops were really cool. They had a lot of really neat stuff like magnets and different kinds of shirts and stuff. We also got this shirt, the Planet Hollywood shirt. It's just a blue shirt. It says Planet Hollywood on it, and it's really nice too. I really like that one. That one's for Mom. And so she got this shirt at Planet Hollywood too. So we got that as we went in there. And then we got this shirt. This is for my mom's friend. We got this shirt from World of Disney. And so it's really nice. It's got Disney and Mickey standing here on it with the castle in the background. And the shirt material is like really soft and really nice. And then Mom got her one more shirt that I wanted to show you guys. Is a Mickey, just a plain Mickey shirt. I think it's like a glittery Mickey, kind of feels, it's not really like feels glittery, but it kind of looks glittery. So she got her one of those shirts, and both of those came from World of Disney. And while we were out at Disney Springs, we went to the store called Basin. And inside here, Mom got her two different kinds of bath salts. And so I'm not really sure what each one of the bath salts are called, but I believe one is like a relax and something else. I can't remember what else is the other one, but I don't know. She wanted the bath salts, so we went in there and got some of those. And the bath salts were actually really cheap. And then we went to, this is from World of Disney also. We got a shirt for my grandma while we were there. I believe it's just a gray Mickey shirt. I think it says the 2019 on it. Yeah, it's a 2019 shirt for Disney. And so we got that shirt at World of Disney while we were there. And these are really neat. We didn't realize until afterwards that the 2019 shirts are actually sold at the resorts too. So we just got the one at World of Disney and thought, oh, that's really cool. And then we found out later that it's not at World of Disney, it's at all the resorts too, but that's still okay. All right, and then at Disney Springs, we went and stopped by Stance. Carson wanted to get him some new socks, so we got him some James Harden socks there at Stance. These are really cool. They had some other James Harden socks, but they just didn't look as cool. They were like real faded looking, and I think they had his face multiple times instead of just his face on just this one deal here. So these were definitely the cooler ones. They only had like James Harden and Kyrie Irving, and I think Kristaps Porzingis, who plays for the Knicks. I think they only had those three there at Disney Springs. And then also at Disney Springs, we got some CocaCola merchandise. I showed you guys this earlier, but again, I got the CocaCola Orlando watch. And I really like the watch, but the watch band is really irritating because the little silver metal part here that kind of locks in the watch, it keeps coming apart and it doesn't really fit that well inside the watch. And so that's kind of a pain, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go to Walmart and get a better watch, band for the watch. And then while we were there, we got one of these. Let's see, yeah, here it is. So while we were there also, we shopped for my grandma a little like coin purse thing. And I showed this in the video a little bit, but I didn't show it that much at all because I didn't know that's what we were gonna get. But we ended up getting her this from the Coca-Cola store. And it's really neat, really nice, and it comes in handy. So I think that she'll be able to use it a lot. I don't know how much she really uses coins, but she may be able to use it a lot. We also got this mug. And this mug here, it's just a Walt Disney World mug. It just has, you know, the different pictures of the parks. That's what I'm trying to say. The parks. So it has different pictures of the parks on here. It's got all 4 of them. And so, you know, they thought it was really cool. They collect the mugs each time they go, and my parents do. And so every time they go to Disney, they get a different mug. And so we have a different collection of mugs from every place. So we snatched that while we were there. And then we headed over to Epcot. And while we were at Epcot, we were in China. And while we were inside of China, we actually found like this teapot, this little teacup maker / drinker inside of China. And so basically it has the cup here, just a regular cup you drink out of. It's a Panda cup. And then inside the Panda cup has its little filter. And you just set the filter down inside the cup just like this. And you can put your tea bags in this little filter here. And then you just pour your hot water on top of the tea bags. And then you can make tea from it. You just take this out and then you have your tea to drink on the inside of the cup. And then it came with its own lid to keep the liquids and stuff warm inside the cup and for a decorative piece too. So here is it all together. All right, and then also in the same place in China, Mom found her a little like could be change purse, maybe jewelry little purse pocket thing. She found this in China too. You could put either one in there. And so she really liked this, so she got this. She actually has some jewelry in it right now. That's why it's kind of clanging around a little bit, but it actually has quite a bit of good space in there to be so small. But she really liked this, so we grabbed that. And then we also, in China, we grabbed one of these notebooks. And on the notebooks, it actually has something written different on each notebook that you use. And so it's kind of cool because you can see different things from China on each piece of notebook paper that you write on. All right, and then of course, at the resorts, a lot of people know about these. You guys probably know about these, is the Disney cups that you can get at the resorts. And so you get these cups, you buy them when you first get there, and they are good for unlimited amount of refills, free refills for the length of your stay. And so we always get one of these. We usually get 2, because there's 4 of us. We usually get 2 and we share them, and we just fill them up all week long and use them while we're at Disney. And so these really come in handy, especially with the lids and being able to kind of close them off and stuff like that. So those come in really good handy. And then we went to Magic Kingdom, and at Magic Kingdom we saw that they had a popcorn bucket. Now, they usually have popcorn buckets that are just like the regular throughout the year, but since it was Christmas, they had their Christmas buckets out. And so we grabbed a Christmas bucket to have at our house that we could take back with, because we really thought that the Christmas buckets were really cool. And while we were out, this is the wallet that we went back to Magic Kingdom that night to get, that you guys saw later on, or earlier, that you guys didn't get to see the actual wallet. This is the actual wallet that you guys get to see now. All right, so here is the actual wallet. It says follow the dream, and this is kind of a neat wallet, I guess, you know. She really liked it. I'm not too much on wallets, but it's kind of a neat colored wallet. And last but not least, we have like a Mickey cooler. And when we first came into our resort, the first night we came in, we were actually all surprised except for Mom, because she had actually ordered this ahead of time. And so we were actually able to, we got this when we came in, and we didn't know that we were getting it. So when we came in, all 3 of us thought that it was just a gift from Disney, and we thought it was something that they did for a New Year's thing, so we were really surprised. But she actually had bought this from Mickey, and it was like the Mickey's boutique and something. I'll go ahead and put that down below for you guys, but she bought that from them for New Year's, and it came with a bunch of snacks, and it came with this water bottle here that you guys see, and it has Magic Kingdom on the water bottle. And so it came with a lot of really good things. It even came with like Rice Krispie treats. And so, you know, this is really cool because you can obviously use this past what you stay at the parks. So this is definitely gonna come in handy. And then, you know, of course, the water bottle. And so I think that is it that we got at Disney. That's our little mini haul at Disney. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have anything that you've got at Disney before that you guys just really love, or there's something here that you guys loved that you watched and you'd like to know a little bit more about it, just comment down below. Let us know what it is. Make sure you guys like, make sure you guys like and subscribe this video. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys once again so much. You guys have a great night.